I'm Mr. Gary, and in this video we're going to look at spelling rules for present continuous tense. We're also going to look at a lot of examples about the present continuous tense and how we can use it more. And hopefully this will build your confidence and give you the repetition and the practice that you need in order to become more fluent when you're using the present continuous tense. The video clips and the pictures that you're going to look at are going to be like a little quiz format, and I'm going to give you some assistance when you're thinking about what you should say, where you should say it, and how you should say it in the present continuous tense. By doing that, we're going to get lots of practice in this video. So we have the subject pronouns on the left. We can have the person's name, he, she, or it, followed by the auxiliary verb is. We can have I, which couples with am. We can also have you, we, or they, and that couples with the auxiliary verb are. Adding ing or ing to the verb play, eat, do, work, be become playing, eating, doing, working, being. Okay, so when a verb ends in an E or a silent E, we can remove the E and add ing. Make becomes making, bake becomes baking, take becomes taking, fake becomes faking, excite becomes exciting, and schedule becomes scheduling. Right, now that we know what to do with silent E's, it's time to have a look at doubling the consonants on certain verbs. What are the rules? How do we add ing into these verbs to make it easy for us to remember? Well, these rules are designed to try and help you with spelling and with remembering when to double the final consonant. Let's have a look at those now. Okay, so we double the final consonant in some circumstances. So, where there is a one-syllable verb, we require that you double the final consonant where a vowel consonant vowel pattern exists. Let's look at these examples. Swim becomes swimming, plan becomes planning, run becomes running, stop becomes stopping, and sit becomes sitting. There are exemptions to these rules, most notably read becomes reading. There is no doubling of the D in reading. Now let's look at verbs ending with the letters W, X, or Y. All you do is just add ing to the end of the word. Examples are know, shadow, coax, flex, enjoy, study. Know becomes knowing, shadow becomes shadowing, coax becomes coaxing. It means to encourage someone to do something. Flex becomes flexing, meaning to show off or to boast about something. Enjoy becomes enjoying, and study, of course, becomes studying. Okay, now that you are aware of the present continuous tense and you are aware of the spelling rules, and when we double the final consonant in the present continuous tense, let's have a look now at some examples. Here's example 1. Look closely at the picture. You can pause the video if you like, Try and make as many sentences about the events happening here in this restaurant. What things do you notice? What are people doing? Comment in the comment box once you see an activity happening. Try and get down as many as possible. You don't have to get them all, but the more you get, the more practice you will get too from this video. Which number shows the people ordering from the waiter or the waitress? Which number shows the two babies playing in the restaurant? And finally, which number shows a chef flipping a pancake in the kitchen? What other activities did you notice in the restaurant? By all means, pop a comment in the box below and I will reply to as many as possible. Now it's time for example number 2, and this is a little bit of B-roll footage that I took a few days ago. Have a look closely and see what's happening in this little clip that I took. I think you could probably at least find 5 activities happening in this clip. Again, just comment in the comments box below and I'll reply to as many as possible. This is a freeze frame photograph that I took whilst visiting a coffee shop. Look at the people carefully. See what they are doing. What activities are they engaging in? Can you make comments in the comment box about this photo? Remember, at any point you may wish to rewind, so by all means, if you want to take that little dot just there, you can pull the video back a few seconds in time and re-practice the things that you can see in either of the pictures there that are designed to try and help you express yourself with present continuous. Think about those pronouns, remember those verbs, and remember to apply the correct spelling rules when you're typing a comment in the comment box below. That brings to an end this lesson on spelling in present continuous tense. Review what you've done. You now know the spelling rules, how to double the consonants, and when you should add ing into the sentence. Please remember to like and subscribe my channel if you want more content like this in the future. Just tap on the button down here to subscribe and be sure to press the bell notification and set that to all. Maybe you want to have a look at other videos that I've produced on my channel, and if you do, there's a playlist just here, and my most recent video is just here. Thank you so much for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.